Greetings campers, welcome to Farmeritaville. We are at Fair Park, Dallas for the North Texas Irish Festival. It's St. Patrick's Day week. We're gonna get a little Irish. Yeah, I know my hat says Deutschland on it. It's fine. It's the only thing that like color combination went with my green shirt. So you're gonna have to live with me wearing a Deutschland hat from Epcot. But we're here at Fair Park, which is similar but very different than Epcot for the North Texas Irish Festival. This year's the first year back. It was on hiatus for 2 years and now it's back and hopefully bigger and better than ever. We're gonna get some green beer and check it out. I've always wondered if this same time of year in Belfast they have like the North Irish Texan Festival. They're all running around eating hot dogs and barbecue, wearing cowboy hats and shit. I don't know. If you're out there and you know if that's a thing, let me know. I'd like to attend one year. So let's dive in. Be sure to like and subscribe. Let's get some green beer. Here's some more fun facts and useless information with Farmeritaville. I've shot fireworks off the roof of that building. I've shot fireworks off the roof of this building. And I've shot fireworks off the rim of the Cotton Bowl. Where the hell is it? Way back there. That structure is the Cotton Bowl. I've shot fireworks off of all of this stuff. They know their crowd. You gotta do dollars to coupons, then you got to do coupons to beers, and it's a lot of hard work. So they keep it simple. I like that. First beer of the day, you got to start it off with the classics, Guinness, when you're at an Irish festival. Cheers, everybody. Right behind me is a real cameraman for a real local news station doing a much better job at this than I am. This is a very cool pet-friendly event. So as you're walking around the different buildings and fairgrounds, you see a lot of people with their dogs, and a lot of times their dogs are, you know, dressed up. They've got St. Patrick's Day gear on and stuff like that. Because this festival is very reliant on its partnership with adoption agencies, and there's some here. I mean, we might walk out with another dog today. There's no telling. Something else that's great at Irish Fest is the vending, the vendors. There's so many cool places here with their wares, from jewelry to attire, wooden flutes I saw for sale, handmade crafts, all kinds of cool stuff. It's almost reminiscent of that, of a Renaissance fair, but we're indoors, we're here at Fair Park. There's some vendors outside, but it's mostly food. And so there's just a lot of really cool stuff that you can get without all the dust and dirt of a Renaissance fair, if you will. A lot of people here are dressed up in their traditional Irish garb, and St. Patrick's Day stuff and Celtic stuff. There's definitely Scottish influence prevalent throughout the event. And of course, Guinness. Although Guinness isn't the only beer, there's a lot of different beers here. So I think I'm on a quest to find green beer because I haven't found any green beer yet. See if I can get some green beer. All right, M can't leave well enough alone. What were you hoping to find here? I believe we have found the vendors or vendor with haggis, and it's getting lunchtime. We're probably gonna have to try some haggis. Try it, I've had it before, it's fantastic. Authentic haggis and mash. This looks delicious. It's not tacos, but I'm here for this. This is good. Dark Hour Monsters, because Dark Hour promotes everywhere. Why not Irish Fest? Actually, truth be told, the reason that they're out here is because we used to do St. Patrick's Day show. We're not doing it this year, but they were doing a promotion for the St. Patrick's Day show. But there's such a great crowd here. These are our people, and it doesn't matter that Halloween's several months away. We're coming back. Irish Fest wanted us to be back. We love being out here, and as you can see, it's a great photo op. Roaming monsters in the middle of March in Fair Park, so why not? I've never seen any of these guys before. You're not too loose. I'm off. Oh Lord. Not me, the kids. Get out. Children, there's children to eat. Leave me alone. Ooh, this one's good. They call this a blacksmith. It is Guinness and Smithwick's hard cider, half and half. Pretty good. There's also a lot of great traditional Celtic music you can see here. More acts on more stages than I could mention, but if you're into like Celtic tunes, there's a lot of fantastic performers all over the whole 3 days of this festival. I have broken away from the group and now I am on a solo mission to get a specific drink, snake bite, I think they call it, which is Guinness and cider. Em, what are you drinking?
A snake bite!
What's in a snake bite?
That would be cider and Guinness.
I had a blacksmith, which was Guinness and Smithwick's, and I got to get one for the friends. It was Guinness and cider, but they don't have it inside the auto building, so I got to come back out here and get it because I'm the kind of nice guy who goes on beer runs for his friends. I found my second favorite booth besides the Dark Hour booth, the Texas Haunters Convention, THC for short. What's your favorite YouTube channel, THC?
Farmeritaville.
Oh shit. If you have ancestry in Ireland or Scotland or wherever, you know, and you know it, you can come here and you can actually get colors and kilts and other wardrobe from your chosen clan. That's pretty cool. We were just reminiscing on the walk to the car how we didn't see any live bagpipe music this year. We feel kind of ripped off because of that. I don't know.
No.
I actually, all right, look, it's a 3-day festival. We're here on the last day. They probably showed up late.
They were there. This guy didn't bother finding them.
All right, we ran into a lot of people we know and we ate a lot of tasty things and we had some Irish drinks and we saw some Irish music and we shopped some Irish Celtic themed stuff. There's more Irish music going on over there. I don't know if y'all can hear it. I can. It's loud as hell and it's windy as hell. But now we're gonna go, we found some friends in town from out of town, so we're gonna go eat, which means we're headed out. So thank y'all for joining. If you liked this video, consider subscribing. If you didn't like this video, I really don't give a shit, but thanks for watching. Take care. Peace out from Fair Park, Dallas. Have fun, everybody. So look. He looks like, does he look like Gabe Bautista?
Go do